Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Dwayne is dissecting the video with Andre and Wayne, and man, I tell you, it's something. You have to come on and check out this video. There is no need for me to do any more introduction to this because the videos speak for itself. Go listen to it, watch, and as I always say, draw your own opinion. And please remember to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.
All over the place. Me did all over the place, from one place to the next to the next. To Jesus Christ. Me can't keep up. I wanna mean, hey. Well, make I tell them this. All of you go back and forth with each other. You come up one by one here, one by one. Because me can't keep up. I look at thing, I looked at me about four or five phone, and I could have listened to each side, and you know, but it did hard for me keep up. It did really hard. Make my job make my job too hard. Take on the time, man. Take on the time. Andre, Wayne, Laura, Michelle, do what I want to take on a look at time. Take on a look at time with me. I go too hard and I can't manage it. Here me I beg you to do. I come out one by one next time here. Me I beg you to do. Come out one by one. So I can say, alright, me sit down so and taking one so. And I know what I go with, so when I go with, and which part me I go with, for which part me I go with. And then the next one can go live and me can, you know, on the like call there. Call which lady name? Move for your sir. You love the nonsense. To go for ya. Call which name? Move for the attack. Cartoon, Lorian, or Michelle. Oh, Dana. Them name call for true. The people them call them name for true. So my caption is exact. Listen. If me put out fast caption, I could have understand. But my caption real. So on if you sit down and wait and listen for your damn self. And only can pick sense out of nonsense for on self. Alright? You know what say? You damn right, big mix up do it, and me wear me type up proud. Oh, one vex, I don't business. Me not look at no termite, me say. Me not look at no termite. Me mix up, and I'll always forever be mix up, and I will forever love people business. Me don't know about me know about me. Me love people business. Anyway, enough for the pleasantries. Because I feel that all of the people them, the other places, but them turn right with them there. So, without further ado, make we get right into it. And want to listen to the things them for yourself. I want to hear what all the sides them have to say for yourself. Hear what? Before me go down night, me try put two of the clip them in a one, but my phone full of people business. So me could put the two clip in a one, so I get in that two parts. So long it depend my TV I'm going to. Anyway, listen, me try put the two clipping in a one, but it did hard because my phone full of people business. Me tell them already, my love lap fractal, my friend them and chat people business, and them 70 people them business. So me try put the two clip them to one in a one, and it never did that work. It tell me say, oh, too big. Make up some space. Some say, alright, frig it. Let me just run with the two of them separate, and I could hear one. So without further ado, make the one I will sit down and listen to the people in business. Cause we love people business. hey, I hear my bipolar here, but I love my bipolarness. Maybe I'm gonna try to rub up look at my bipolarness for somehow, no. Don't rush me, don't rush me, don't rush me. Alright. But because you asked nicely, I'm gonna do it for you right now. Hold on, here, girl. Hold on, goodie. I'm gonna do something. Oh, see. So the first one you have to make on here, and this one here, yeah?
One of me want address a matter. Me want address a matter. So hurry up and go over there, because I want the whole round to call you. Okay. Yeah? We know how much people they on the live, yeah?
Locks.
So me want you to set an alarm for 1 o'clock tomorrow. We have to put out the thing later tonight into tomorrow morning. Me I go somewhere and I want the whole of the students them come there. How much of them over here waiting because something wrong with my 820? Oh, them are bleed up. Alright, you go and build up because me I go address something tonight. You hurry up and come over here, son. You hurry up and come over here, son.
Right there, son.
And me I make sure say me I open up my line tonight, you know. Because them say from me do the puppy and the baby. Them say from me talk about the puppy business and Ray and the taxi driver them stop watch me. So them say. But then can't tell me everything me talk about on my platform. Hey, everything me talk about, them watch me like a shark.
Listen.
Everything me they talk about, them watch me like a shark. A long time me do me research on see me silence against them. But me know them want, them want public notoriety. Public attention them want, but them not get it from Andre Stevens.
Them not get it.
Get it from Andre Stevens.
Right, that's
They not get it from Andre Stefano Steven.
Andre Stefano.
Me not give them no public attention.
It have a buzz. Andre Stefano Stevens. It have a buzz. I like it.
Welcome, Colleen. Me not give them no public attention. That them want. When they can't be on live for 5 hours, 3 hours, and a one person I discuss. Oh, I understand you're not an Andre Stevens, so you don't have the literature. Hold on, they don't put up me.
Them don't have the literature.
We want to address them nice and clean. It's when we're done with them tonight. Me I open my phone line and come and want them call me. Cause them brazen like that, you know.
Hey, dub! What? No call me dey pan me. No call me dey pan me live. Thanks, bye. Backside don't know. One two outada.
Me I open my phone line.
Watch there.
Call me tonight. You hear me say Jamaica? Me I open my phone line come and want them call me.
Open up the line, Jay. Oh, public service announcement. Me don't have nothing against Andre. Me don't have nothing against you. Yeah, me dubs. Big up yourself. I'm continue to do another. Me not going against nobody. No. Me neutral.
This is how you want to come name up on my skin. Because I'm a vulture. This is say, you not try to find relevance. Because you think say, you can come over here so. But me go say this, where God put together, no man put asunder.
No man put asunder.
No man. Say if you think say the drown. The hocus pocus them.
Hocus pocus, yes sir?
The hocus pocus them. The drown on oneself.
What?
The three hocus pocus. Remember Andre Stevens said, the three hocus pocus them. When you come, every night you call in for my program, me the things so you with me. Only never with me, only they just want to plot me demise.
Lord
hey! But me glad my grandmother remind me, say 3 serpent did round. Hey!
3 serpents.
Yeah, man, my grandmother dream and said to me, say, Andre, 3 serpents round. Be wary of them. Me see the ocus them.
Beware the serpent them.
For
serpents out there.
Hours them sit down on me name. Remember say poor people are suffer. Remember say, me go say this too no. And me not care what nobody want to say. 3 blind mice. Uno blind Bartimeus. Me did not open my line because the only time them can call people upon WhatsApp.
Infest him, you know, infest him. I like him style.
Open my line for them because I want the blind mice come over and come and go when I done
Rag him!
Come over here. Because I never know so you bitter for me. The 3 duppy them. 3 serpent. The 3 legion them. Now me not understand what weird. Hey, you not make me. Me unblock you. Cause you must get the notice now. Say Andre de pan live. See that Jamaica when them a call, me not answer them call. Look how much miss call.
Lord God.
Me not answer them call cause them a wicked. But them want me forget bagga, but I'm not going to go there with them.
Right, yes, so you.
That was a disguise. See, one of the students, them, Steffi, you know, say, Andre, me just use that to gather the crowd. Because you know me not give them no public notoriety. Them not get it. Steffi, the 3 of them, we sit on 5 hours per minute, them not get it tonight.
Andre.
3 big. I'm going to ask you this, Steffi. If you have business to do in your life, you're going to spend 5 hours, 3 hours upon one set of people?
Andre, you can't pay none.